Stupid. Having or showing a great lack of intelligence or common sense. 1. Dazed or unable to think clearly. Dazed and unable to think clearly. Unintelligent, ignorant, dense, brainless, mindless, foolish, dull-witted, dull, slow-witted, witless, slow, dunce-like, simple-minded, empty-headed, vacuous, vapid, half-witted, idiotic, moronic, imbecilic, imbecile, obtuse, doltish, gullible, naive, thick, sick, dim, dumb, dopey, dozy, crazy, cretinous, bird-brained, pea-brained, pig-ignorant, bovine, slow on the uptake, soft in the head, brain-dead, bone-headed, lame-brained, thick-headed, chuckle-headed, dunder-headed, wooden-headed, fat-headed, mutton-headed, daft, barmy, not the full shilling, thick as two short pegs, dumbass, foolish, silly, unintelligent, idiotic, brainless, mindless, scatterbrained, crack-brained, nonsensical, senseless, irresponsible, unthinking, ill-advised, ill-considered, inept, witless, damn fool, unwise, injudicious, indiscreet, short-sighted, inane, absurd, ludicrous, ridiculous, laughable, visible, fatuous, asinine, pointless, meaningless, futile, fruitless, mad, insane, lunatic, crazy, dopey, cracked, half-baked, cock-eyed, harebrained, naughty, derpy, cuckoo, loony, loopy, zany, screwy, off one's head, off one's trolley, out to lunch, daft, potty, dotty, batty, barmy, gormless, half-assed.